door won't close. It's not the latch, it's not latching unless I pull it very hard. So when the window's open, there can be a bit of a vacuum. The door has been painted a couple of times, and the paint can get in here between the stop and the frame, and that can cause a binding. So as the door comes like this, it naturally goes to push open again unless you pull it hard. Right. Another thing as well is we'll see from the inside. Okay, same thing here. There you have to really push it for it to close. So we can see here there's a gap at the bottom, and it's a bit tighter at the top, and there's a gap at the top of the frame, and it's a bit tighter over there. So what's happened is the doors drop slightly. So you can pack out this bottom hinge, undo the hinge, and put in a bit of cardboard to push it over that way, and that will lift that lock, the latch, so it should go into the hole. There also might need for this to be moved slightly that way. So let's see. Now from the bottom here, now there's the hinge, there's the door. Okay, get a bit of cut off a bit of cardboard. Okay, there's the hinge. Put the cardboard, the back of the hinge, like that. Okay, and then with your knife, just hold it there, and you can just put there, and a little mark up here. Okay, and there, I can just put that. And that's it there. So there we go. So push the door back, put the cardboard in. Okay. And now you can push that hinge back to where it was. Put the first screw in. Okay. That's called a packer. You pack the hinge. If it's still tight and the door needs lift again, you can cut another bit of cardboard like this, cut another piece and do a double packer. Pack out the bottom edge, and that will lift the door up in there. But if it's really close, you can also as well just tap. You can knock the keeper, the receiver down slightly as well. That's it, perfect there now. Okay, perfect. Job's a good one.